Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Vicky from NonStopTravelVV. I travel lots and I also review luggage. And today we are going to review a personal item. It is not a backpack. It is actually the perfect personal item bag, especially if you want to bring a tablet. Without further ado, here is the Nano Smart Herman Sling Bag. And just in case that you want a backpack, well, maybe you've missed my last video because there I reviewed this bad boy, which is the Nayo Smart Roll Top Travel Backpack. The link is in the description. But today is all about the Sling Bag. All right, let's get started. What do we have? We have an outside compartment here. The zippers are waterproof and like, oh my God, so nice. Here we just have like a small compartment in the front, but this is just the beginning. Then it also opens up and it is quite safe. No one can get into your bag because if you just try to open it like this, it does not open because it has the Fitlock magnetic buckle that the backpack has as well. So you just need to pull it down gently and then it opens up. You can get into this front compartment that also has zippers and other compartments in here. There you go. So yes, two quick, easy access pouches. Perfect for your passport. So you can just put that in here nicely. Phone. And then there is also a zipper in here. For something super safe and super secret, you can put that in there. The quality of this sling bag is amazing. I wanted to say little sling bag, but it's actually not that little. It fits quite a lot of stuff. All right, so let's close this up again. And let's get into the main compartment. The main compartment, waterproof zipper, of course. And it zips so nicely. And here, you've got so many compartments, so it is really perfect if you want to have your things perfectly organized. This is the sling bag for you. Here again, like this is deep enough to fit your passport, of course, easily. And the label is so nice as well. Let me show you. And it is quite deep. So, I mean, look, if you are an extreme minimalist, you can probably fit a small toiletry bag, a few t-shirts in here, undies, anything you might need, because yeah, plenty of room. But what's really awesome is that it fits a small tablet, has a little Velcro here, and here nicely padded, it fits a 11-inch tablet. So this is really awesome. And then also, of course, if you're like old-fashioned, you can put your pens here. So that's the inside compartment. And then I almost forgot, you can fit a water bottle. It has like a sort of hidden compartment here. It opens up here sideways. You can fit a small water bottle easily or a big long water bottle as well. It just disappears in there. And it would stay because it has like this little mesh thing that will stop it from falling out. There you go. All right, so let's fit a few travel essentials into the bag. So you can easily fit a book, passport. So the passport I would probably put into this safe compartment here, because nobody will ever get to that, even if you like wear your bag on your back, which I sometimes do. This is super safe. All right, and then in the main compartment, pen. Always disinfectant wipes, a scarf because it does get cold on planes, and my sunglasses. And I've got like an old-fashioned paper notepad that I will put in here because I don't have a really small tablet. So let's just do it the old-fashioned way. There you have it. I also really love that little handle that it has. And now I will show you how to wear this. Let me just tie up my hair so that that's not in the way. All right, so then last but not least, the phone. quick and easy to access in here. All right, so and now how do we wear this thing? So there is 2 ways to get into it. You can just pull it over your head. There you have it. Or if you find it easier, you can also just release it here with this buckle. There you go. And then you can just take it off like this if you don't want to mess up your hair or something. And also very easy to put it on like this again. Super easy. And here, this is really cool. So I just figured that out myself. You can adjust the length of the strap depending on, like if you're wearing like a coat that's really thick, or if you just wear a t-shirt like me right now, you can adjust it so easily and then just click it back into place. Or if you prefer to wear it with a longer strap, like more like a handbag, also easily doable. And then there's a 3rd way to actually wear it, because it has this little strap here on the inside, and that, if you release this here, adjust it so it's a little bit longer. It took me a little bit to adjust all the straps, but once they are adjusted, then that's how they're gonna stay. And now it really is like a little backpack. It stays in place really nicely. It feels really comfortable to wear. And I mean, it can be so many things. It's like a sling bag that you can wear a little bit more casually, or it's like a handbag if you want it to be. And then it's maybe easier to access, like if you have like a camera in there, because I'm thinking of using this for my Osmo Pocket 3, which is like a small camera, which would easily, like you could fit like a normal size camera in there. And then if you don't want to use that cross strap, you just put it back right here where it came from and tighten it again. I think I just find it easy, even without that cross strap, to just wear it like this. And of course you can wear it in combination with the Nayo Smart backpack, so those 2 together would look really nice. This obviously also comes in black, and it comes in like a little bit darker gray. I wanted to mix it up a little bit because I've got a lot of black bags. So yeah, I chose this. I quite like that lighter color. And I mean, you can also just carry it like this, you know. So this will be in the front, and this will be in the back. And now you've really got so much space. You've got this with easy access in the front, which is really nice. I mean, it's so easy to get to your ticket or to your passport. It's very nice and easy to access everything. It's like just the angle of how it is designed. No matter where you put things, it's just so easy to get to them. There is one more really cool thing that I forgot to show you, which is it has like a little key so that they cannot disappear in here, and so that you can easily find your keys again. So I mean, needless to say, this bag is not just for traveling. This could be your everyday bag, especially if you have a small tablet. Awesome. Something light and waterproof that looks good, where you can have all your things organized. Perfect as a camera bag as well. Yeah, I mean, what is not to love? If you love it too, if you are interested in buying this, there is a link in this video description. And on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe, because there will be so many more review videos and more travel vlogs and more travel tips. So a lot more is going to come on this channel very soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.